What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with a fragrance. If your first time to my channel, thanks for clicking on my channel, my video. I appreciate it a lot. If you do like men's fragrances, unboxing, giveaways, well, you tune into the right channel. At the end of this video, please consider subscribing. Click that subscribe button. Please click that bell icon so you get notified when I upload new fragrance reviews. I put your priority first as a subscriber. So once you click the subscribe button, the bell icon, please leave a comment below, let me know. And I definitely will contact you back and tell you thank you with a nice message. So today we're going to be talking about Versace Dylan Blue. There are other fragrances that are very similar to it, so I'm going to let them talk about first. This is Dior Sauvage, Acqua di Gio Profumo, and Bleu de Chanel Parfum. All these fragrances are good, and then today we're going to be talking about Versace Dylan Blue. I'm going to tell you if it's worth buying, maybe, or if it sucks. So stay tuned. So, Versace Dylan Blue. This is the bottle presentation. Has a Medusa right in the middle. The cap up top, little lines around the sides. Pretty cool. Has Versace around the name of it. The inside of it has Medusa on it right here. Pretty cool. The atomizer is nice. Shoots a lot out. The bottom of the presentation with the batch code. You guys can see that. Apologize if you can't. This is a 50 ml bottle. So, Versace Dylan Blue. Let me break it down to you guys, ladies and gentlemen. It has a little bit of everything. Your Dior Sauvage, your Acqua di Gio Profumo has a little bit of your Bleu de Chanel. What I get with this fragrance, initial spray, I get a lot of the, well, what's strong? I get a lot of the musk and patchouli when I spray it on my skin. If you like these other fragrances like Dior Sauvage, and you like Bleu de Chanel Parfum, and you like Acqua di Gio Profumo, and you don't have those three, and you want to just get something a little cheaper, I would suggest try this one out. It's been out for a while. People like it. People do enjoy it. I enjoy it. But I'm going to tell you why I prefer the other three. But, you know, they're all great fragrances. But let's break down the notes in this one. This one has patchouli, musk, bergamot, ambroxan, fig leaf. This fragrance is very similar to the other three. It's a fresh fragrance overall. You can't go wrong with this fragrance here. You're going to get compliments with this fragrance here. I've got a few compliments with it. Projection wise, on my skin, I get about 2 hours. You should be looking at between 1.5 to 2 hours of projection. Depends on your skin chemistry. You might get more. Longevity, I get about 6 to 7 hours on my skin. Like I said, you might get more projection or weaker projection. Depends on your skin chemistry. Do I like this fragrance? Yes. Is it better than the other three? No. I enjoy the other three a lot more. I got this fragrance for free because at the time when I was buying fragrances, I had a free kind of like points at Sephora. So I pretty much got this fragrance for free. Pretty nice. I enjoy it. It's free, so I really can't complain about a free fragrance. Spray wise, I do about 3 sprays. Can't go wrong. Put one here, then one here, one here. It's good. You're good to go. You're going to smell clean, crisp. It's a great fragrance. It's hard for me to tell you to buy this fragrance if you have the other 3 fragrances. This is kind of redundant if you have the other 3. If you don't have the other 3 and you're on a budget of money-wise, fragrance-wise, this is a better suggestion to get. You will enjoy it. If you like the Dior Sauvage type of smell, Bleu de Chanel or Acqua di Gio Profumo, it has all that in this fragrance. A little bit of everything. A little touch bit of everything. It has your bergamot, has your ambroxan, has your patchouli. You can't go wrong with this fragrance here. Is it a compliment master? Yes. Compliment king. Women do like it, gravitate to it. It's great. Some people might like it more than others. It all depends on the person. The price wise, you can probably get this under about 50 bucks online, on eBay. It's cheap as anything. It's been out for a while now. I hope when you buy this fragrance, you enjoy it. What you should do in the first place, you should go to your local Sephora, Nordstrom, or Macy's and test it out for yourself. I don't want to say just go out and buy it because then I tell you to go buy it and then you may not even like the fragrance. You might say it sucks. So I just want to let you know that up front. Sorry about that, guys. Season wise, I see this all season. You can wear it January to December. It's great. You can, for occasion wise, you can wear it dressed up, dressed down, any type of occasion. You can't go wrong with it. I don't see this being a problem, whether the hot weather or the cold weather. It's great. It's going to work. It's going to project. Longevity wise, it's going to be good. It could be a signature scent if you want it to be. It's up to you guys. So I appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions about this fragrance, please leave a comment below. Let me know. If you do like fragrance reviews, unboxing, and free giveaways, please consider subscribing to my channel. I put you first as a subscriber, my main priority to this channel. You make this channel grow every single day. I thank you guys for watching my video, and have a nice day. Peace.